In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to enforce clean image file names in WordPress. File names with uncommon characters can break images in browsers. If you upload a lot of images running a non-English website or allow users to upload images, then it's not possible to ensure clean image file names for every image. To do this, first you need to install and activate the Clean Image File Names plugin. I've already installed it. But if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now I'm going to upload an image. As you can see, the name of this image has many different characters. But once the file is finished uploading, click here to edit the image. And now, as you can see in the file name, the characters were removed, and also the same was done with the URL. Just a quick note that this plugin will only clean the images that you upload after activating the plugin, and not the ones that were uploaded before. But this is how you can enforce clean image file names in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.